Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 cannot open GPT photos, no such interference port solved. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, go to your settings of your Windows, go to your app section and go to your installed apps. After opening the installed apps, go to your photos. Now here is the photos. Click on these three dots and go to your advanced options. After opening the advanced options, first of all click on terminate. After that click on repair. After that click on reset. After reset that, close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.